In this video demonstration, I'll be showing you how to create an alpha reseller account and a super alpha reseller. First, we need to log into WHM on our web host manager control panel. Now that we're logged into our web host manager, we need to create a package. We need to go to packages, add a package, and create a package name. I'm going to go ahead and create mine as alpha reseller. Just to let you guys know, whenever creating a package, you always want to make sure that you don't make it as a two-word. You always want to make sure that you actually put a dash or underscore whenever you want to go ahead and make it as a two-word package name, because whenever you left like a space or anything like that, it can actually create zamfoo errors later on, and it can cause a lot of issues when creating autograms with zamfoo. Now that we have created our package name, we're going to go ahead and start customizing the resources. I'm going to just go ahead and leave mine as everything unlimited, since this is just a video demonstration. You could set yours to whatever your specifications are, but I'm just going to go ahead and leave mine unlimited. Now, under settings and option, you want to make sure that you actually select digest authentication at account creation. It's very important. Then you're gonna have to select, after that, select add, save it, and after now that we actually created our package, we can go to zamfoo and add it from the autograph. Go to zamfoo, and then under alpha accounts, you go ahead and select the set remove alpha autograph. As you can see, we have our package here. You go ahead and highlight that thing, then click the add set autographs. Now the package has already been set on the autographs. Now we're ready to create an alpha reseller account. Now we're going to go ahead and navigate to create an account, create a new account. Then for the domain name, you want to make sure that you actually create the domain name of your reseller that he's going to use. I'm going to just go ahead and create mine as domain, since once again this is just a video demonstration. Go ahead and create that as a domain. As you can see, WHM automatically creates the username. By default, it will actually select the first 8 characters of your domain name. However, you can customize it if you don't want to use the default 8 characters of your domain name. You can go ahead and do that, but I'm just going to go ahead and leave mine just like the way it is. For password, go ahead and type in password, and leave mine as password. You create your password as strong as you want. For email address, you want to make sure that you actually type in your reseller's email address, because once you create this account, we'll actually send the account information to your reseller. His login details, his password, all of that. So I'm going to go ahead and just create a fake email, info at your domain.com. Now that I've created that, now it's time to choose the package. Now we're gonna have to select the package that we created and the one that we put on Alpha Autorent, which is the Alpha Reseller. Whenever you select this package will automatically create whatever account that you're creating using this package as a reseller. You will be able to gain access into an alpha reseller on the zamfoo plugin to create more accounts, more reseller accounts. After that, on the DNS settings, you always want to make sure that you enable SPF on this account and enable DKIM on this account. Especially this, enable SPF on this account. This will give like all IP addresses to every single domain name on the account that your reseller will be creating. And this is very important because every single domain name would need IP address. Without an IP address, they're never gonna get seen on the internet. So make sure you select that. Now we're gonna go ahead and hit the create button. Create. Now that the account has been created, we're gonna go ahead and try to log in with this to make sure that everything is actually working fine, everything is functioning the way it should. Now I'm gonna go log out from here and log back in as an alpha reseller, the one that we just actually created. Username is domain, password was password. Enter. Whoops, looks like I'm able to log in perfectly fine. Now we have to make sure that we can actually create an account. Alright, as you can see, the create function, create account function is actually here. So that means we can create an account. Enable SPF is also there. Now the next thing we want to make sure is if we have access to the alpha plugin. Okay, zamfoo alpha reseller. Alright, it looks like we are able to access the alpha reseller plugin on zamfoo, and everything is working perfectly fine. So this is how you create an alpha reseller account on your super alpha reseller.